Guys, today, an animal company. I need to go put this thing away. It's so heavy. It's weighing me down. We are gonna be seeing how big I could get an animal company with these things. Alright, so first we need to get a backpack and then start filling it up. They're flying away. Alright. By the way, the lava. Where did the other one go? Oh no, maybe I picked it. Alright. Wait. Oh my gosh, these things are so annoying since they have zero gravity, which is kind of annoying. How many do you get per thing? You get 9. Okay, and I can fill up one backpack of 21. I'm gonna fill up 42, so 2 backpacks. So, yeah, and right about over here is where I'll be standing, since over here, it's just a problem, so, I ran out of storage, it looks like. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright, so now we filled them up. So the reason that I'm not getting 3 is, first of all, look how heavy I am with just 2. And yep, it says I'm red. So that's kind of like our first main problem. I'm gonna just eat this one before we go. So and at least we're a little bit faster. Oh my gosh, the rockets are so tiny. Oh my gosh, I weigh so much. But I'm so big back. Wait, I'm gonna just take one at a time. Yep, that works. Okay, so I'm gonna set them right here. Alright, let's go get the other one. Okay. I only have 2 million more. Since a couple of days ago I had 6 million, whenever I blew 4 million. Oh my gosh. Perfect timing, kind of. Or horrible timing. Let's take this one over to a different area now. Alright. And holy! Bro, it's so big back. Go, you big backpack. Alright. So let's start dumping some of them out here. I'm gonna stop for a second. Just in case I get so massive that I can't find them. Which I'm also gonna put this on just in case I accidentally go too large so I go out of the map. Since there's no way I just fell. Bruh. So maybe I shouldn't do it right there. I maybe shouldn't. Oh my gosh. My body's so massive. I look so massive. Wait, why have I not on my color code on? I don't know. Wait, I do. It said that my color code was black. It's okay. Well, looks like I need to fill up another bag. Alright guys, now that I got all those and now I don't have enough as much money, I'm gonna go sell this thing since it has probably I don't know, maybe maybe like 10K in it. Alright, let's see how much I make. And how much do I get? By the way, I don't dupe stuff. And I got 7,000. Okay, now I'm back in my 2 millions. Barely. Let's hope that, let's see if I still stay in it. Dang it, I just went mini. That's okay. But I'll still be in my 2 millions. So I'm probably not gonna go near a wall anymore since I found the map. So yeah, let's go find their backpack if it didn't despawn. Yep, it didn't despawn. Alright, so I'm probably gonna move areas because of what happened. And yeah, maybe I should like go on to 4 this time. Oh my gosh, I'm so heavy. I'm bigger than Queso. No, I see Queso in the comments. I am not that massive. Wanna know what else is massive? Okay, yeah, I'm screaming too much, which means I think I'm brain rotted. Alright, I'm gonna go like right here. Alright, stump them out. Yippee. See all of them coming out. Alright, I'm gonna put this one on my back. I just realized how much I got. And I already spent over $20,000. I wonder how like small they'll look. We started making a case now. Yum 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 yum. Alright. And then let's get even more. As long as it won't touch the ground, then I will not die. Oh my gosh. I'm getting closer and closer to falling out of the map. On accident again. That was not on purpose. Uh-oh, I almost fell into the water. Wait, will I become bigger than the map? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm out of the barrier. But I just want to see what it's like. They're like glitched. Oh my gosh, I almost just fell out of the map. How tight? Oh my gosh. They're little green speckles. Wait, where'd they go? Oh, I found. Where'd they go? Oh, I found a couple. Wait, I can't even. Oh, wait. Whoa. No. That was all about to be like real bad. If I actually go back. Where did they go? I think I need about a couple more. Okay, I grabbed one. I couldn't even see it, but no. Guys, I think that's as big as thing I was about. Oh my gosh, I am massive. Kind of want to do this in caves, though. Like, caves is a really tight space. Alright. I'm gonna just get, like, tiny massive in caves. Because, like, I don't want to fall out of the map. So I'm gonna just take these 3. And then go over here and then fill this backpack up. Well, not fully, but yeah. And then I'm gonna be down a couple. Oh my gosh, I need to go to consumables. And now I still don't like know the full way there. So like, let's go in here. Let's get a hook shot. And then, what? Excuse me, how'd I get burnt? Like, I'm so curious since it's kind of a tight space, like in the main area. caves. By the way, they added lava crystals. Like, so it's so much easier now. So I think they sell for less, I don't know. They sell for more or less now. Or just the same amount. By the way, Mimic is the scariest monster to me, like, especially when I'm in a private lobby, which is mainly where I record my videos, like Spiator. You ain't scary of me? Oh, there we go, I found it. That was actually quite easy. Ouch. Alright, I'm at half health now, which is okay. Wait, what the? Okay, there we go, it's coming out now. Alright. I'm gonna set this backpack down. By the way, you guys probably shouldn't do this since this isn't financially the best. Oh my gosh, I almost just got out of the map. I'm not even that massive. Oh no, it's a massive though? Whoa, what the? Wait. Hold up. I kinda want... Ouch, how did I get burned? But it barely deals any damage. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, that's Moon Cave. I definitely don't want to get small over there, since I just mentioned to you guys my biggest fear of Min. Like, literally. I'm so scared of him. Oh, and I just fell out of the map, guys, so yeah. Oh, now I actually fell out of the map and I'm getting blinded. Oh my gosh, I am massive. Alright, so yeah, guys, I'm getting blinded. And yeah, guys, that'll be it for today's video. And bye!